This is the other elevator at the Otto Milk Building condominiums in Strip District, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This one's also Schindler 400A with standard HD fixtures installed in 2009. Case fire noise elevators. I didn't know this building was this old. This one stole the elevators. This one's bigger. This one stalls the older floors. Oh, and it has a bunch of rear door floors. Down the mezzanine. I don't want to go down to one because there's a lot of activity going on here at the mezzanine. Open to 7. No, 7's locked. 6 all. Here we go. Seven probably was directly in the unit or something. Whoa. Here's 6 on it. We'll go back to the mezzanine end. We'll go down to the mezzanine end. ADA phone. This one stores the older voice key switches. R2 does not talk for letters, just remember, it's just your basic cab. Interesting flooring. Standard HD fixtures, Jared, I'm sure you like that. PA elevators. That chime is crazy. Because the short distances goes between the loft floors. And closing out's gonna be good.